your friend, you're not okay.
Welcome to Golden Palm Breeze Hotel. It's located in Kenol, Murang'a County, off the Nairobi Superhighway, a few minutes away from Nairobi, and you are guaranteed to find amazing things here. I mean, talk of ample parking, talk of big gardens for different things, talk of swimming, talk of nice restaurants to get amazing organic meals away from the city life, away from the city food, right? Talk of accommodation, you're guaranteed of getting amazing accommodation here. It's an amazing stopover for nyama choma grill. Before we go around the aircraft, you can find this beautiful amazing aircraft at Golden Palm Resort at Kenol, Murang'a County. All right.
Hello and welcome to Nabaya Global YouTube Space. Today I am in the area of Murang'a County and I've decided to go for lunch in one of Murang'a's best places, and well, I found something incredible, yeah. They have an aircraft in the garden, so I'm gonna find out if it's open, what do they have inside. If it's open, then I'm gonna take you guys in there and we see together what's happening. Okay, what do they have there? Yeah, so thank you so much. Please watch this video to the end. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can. Okay, so I'm sure with time we will have quality videos, we will have everything everything systematic. So continue watching the video. Yep.
Welcome to the swimming pool area. Yep, so join me in the gazebo for some quick lunch, okay? So we're going to have some nyama choma here. What I'm gonna have here will represent Murang'a County, right? For now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because we are growing, guys, and you wouldn't want to miss to be part of this family. So thank you so much. I appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching my previous video. You guys showed me a lot of love and I appreciate it. Don't also forget to follow me on my Instagram. Yes, my handle is right on the screen. Yep, so yeah, God bless you and see you on my next video. Mwah.